Alrighty guys, F18 90mm. We are cleared for takeoff with the grass ops mission today. It's the same 90 that I had before, it's just it's got gear, so let's do it. I got flaps, so first stage, second stage, got a mix in there. I'm gonna try it maybe second flight, maybe not this one, but alrighty, let's do this. Gear's good. All right, looks good so far. Feels good. This is not a fun flight type thing. This is more just testing and checking the gear situation. So yeah, so far we're good. She's flying slow. All right, we got gear. We got gear, guys. All right. All right. Let's see how she goes. Oh, yes. Oh, girlfriend. That is awesome. That is so cool. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, that was awesome. I'm happy. I'm just going to check it out. Make sure everything looks good. Everything's happy. Everything looks solid. Very solid. And I don't recommend flying it off such a horrible field like mine. Look at this. It's literally like patches of death everywhere. So I don't recommend doing this. I recommend using a strip if you have one. But and if somebody knows how to get the light going on this thing, that would be great. I don't know how to do it actually. All right. Let me. Oh, I'm still on the trims. Should be fine on voltage. Oh no, maybe not. You know what? Let me switch the battery out. Let me switch the battery. I'm thinking about my F-22 right now, and that's not the same plane. The 6S 4000 versus a 5000 8S, and the F-22 is actually it sips energy, so compared to a 6S unit. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So yeah, this is cool. I'm a happy guy right now. Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I gotta check the flaps. Gotta do some flaps work. I gotta do a flaps flight here. Check that. Make sure that they work. I'm just guessing on the flap rates, so I'm gonna get the gear up, and give that a whirl. Okay, so flaps 1. Okay, I'm not gonna do flaps yet on takeoff. I'm gonna just, all right, get it up in the air. Oh, and this is no stabilization. I'm not running anything today. It's just, this is all raw right now, as you see. Gears up, everything's functioning. And she feels exactly the same. She feels a little draggy, a little bit underpowered when I do, when the gear's down, obviously. But it feels great, just like it always does with this. So, all right, there's flaps. Flaps is pushing the nose down a little. So I'm not gonna run the flaps right now. But I mean, they work. I could feel it. It's pushing the nose down because I put too much trim. It's too much compensation on the elevator. So, all right, let's put the gear down again. I got good gear. All right, gear's good. All right, let's do a carrier approach. See if I can sit it in that AOA that it's supposed to be in. Beautiful thing, guys. Oh, I'm happy. All right, let me see how much voltage I have. I think I should have enough to do another test. Here, let me just see. That's great stuff. Wow. That's awesome. Okay. Let's see what my voltage is at. If I'm over 390, 3.9. Oh, I'm at 3.9. So I do have enough. Barely. Okay. So what did I want to do? Oh, flaps. All right, let's do flaps, system. We're gonna do a little bit less. I'll do 35% and I'll do 4%. Or 3. All right, let's try that. I felt like I was holding the nose up. What am I doing? Oh, there we go. I felt like I was holding the nose up with the flap, so. All right, let's do it again. Ready? Beautiful bird. All right, I'm just gonna go climb. All right, it's pushing the nose down again. I don't get it. I have too much in there. All right, I gotta start thinking about gear is good. What a great flying plane, man. I'd pay a lot of money for this if I didn't have it. It flies just as good as the Freewing F-22. I gotta be honest. Just as good. Oh, yes. What a bird, guys. What a bird. What do you think about that? Cool, guys. All right, this is great. You should see this weekend, because now it's done. There's nothing to do left, and the stance, everything is so good. This was a good moment here. It feels, I mean, it feels like I have a very expensive, I mean, I just spent, what, $700 on that free wing F-22, and this gives me the same warm and fuzzies. It gives me the same feeling with the rollout is exactly the same. It might have a little more top end speed because it's 8S, but this is 6S, so do what you want with that. But yeah, so wow, I'm happy, and hope you guys like this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And join Kyle's Designs 3D printed airplanes on Facebook. If you're just a fan of the YouTube channel, just say that in the questions. I'll let you in. But if you don't answer and you don't agree to the terms, I can't let you in. But I don't even care if you have a 3D printer, or if you have a 3D printer and you want to get more updates. Like, I gave so many more updates on here on the Facebook group than I did on my YouTube. So definitely join it. I'd love to see you guys there. And thanks for watching.